Commutative property for rational number is not satisfied in the case of A. Addition, B. Subtraction, C. Multiplication, D. All of these. The correct answer is B. Subtraction. One is the identity for A. Addition of rational numbers, B. Subtraction of rational numbers, C. Multiplication of rational numbers, D. Division of rational numbers. The answer is C. Multiplication of rational numbers. Which of the following statements is true? A. Addition is not commutative for rational numbers. B. Subtraction is commutative for rational numbers. C. Multiplication is not commutative for rational numbers. D. Division is not commutative for rational numbers. The answer is D. Division is not commutative for rational numbers. The multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is A. A positive rational number, B. A negative rational number, C. Neither positive nor negative, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. A negative rational number.
The subtraction of rational number is A. Commutative, B. Associative, C. Neither commutative nor associative, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Neither commutative nor associative.
Which of the following statements is incorrect for rational numbers? A. 0 is the additive identity for all rational numbers. B. 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. C. Division is neither associative nor commutative for rational numbers. D. There exists finite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. The correct answer is D. There exists finite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. One-sixth of students of class joined sports club. 3/5 of these students opted to play table tennis. If 6 students play table tennis, then how many students are there in the class? A. 50, B. 55, C. 60, D. 65. The correct answer is C. 60.
Which of the following statements is incorrect? A. 0 is a rational number. B. Subtraction of rational numbers is associative. C. For every rational number x, y and z, x multiplied by y plus z equals xy plus xz. D. The rational number minus 7 by 3 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. The correct answer is B. Subtraction of rational numbers is associative. Eleven times the reciprocal of a number is 44 by 3. Find the number. A. Minus 3 by 4. B. 3 by 4. C. 1 by 4. D. 2 by 3. The correct answer is B. 3 by 4. The sum of the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is A. 24 by 5. B. Minus 24 by 5. C. 25. D. Minus 25. The correct answer is A. 24 by 5.